strengthen your female lineage. Your female lineage lives in you regardless of gender. Each woman in your family is in your genetic and emotional DNA, influencing how you perceive and face life. Let's first cultivate sincere, conscious gratitude for each woman in your family. Going back hundreds of generations, we strengthen gratitude as each was vital for your existence today. We empower 100% with infinite potential all the time. Let's foster recognition, acceptance, honor, and gratitude without judgment. We'll separate their weaknesses from each other and you in all ways. We'll strengthen to level you with them and them with each other. We strengthen balance, center, and stability in this lineage. We'll level those who suffered least with those who suffered most, those who gained most with those who lost most, those who gave most with those who gave least, those who received most with those who received least. May all be centered, balanced, stable among them with you and you with them. 100% potential, infinite time, all the time. We strengthen each woman's midline in your lineage, including yours and the collective. We'll connect your lineage's midline with the universes with your lineages with the earths, and the earths with your lineages. We make this connection from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back and forth, forth and back, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll connect, communicate, and resonate you in both directions with the femininity of each woman in your family, their sensuality, wisdom, harmony, knowledge, talents, abilities, capacity for commitment, discipline, success, and ability to give and receive, as well as to feel love. We strengthen this connection from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back and forth, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll erase gender, social, academic, and economic inequality. Will erase the energy of frustration, diminishment, and nullification that came from having to endure, tolerate, and resign oneself to injustice, discomfort, and abuse, the suffering endured by both men and women in the family. Strong enough to feel equal, on par with men in all aspects. Will erase all limiting beliefs and misinformation and the self-perception of women in your lineage feeling less worthy or inferior compared to others, which led them to accept undignified treatment. We erase these memories in you and your descendants. We clear ancestral karma of women who mistreated their family. We erase karma from abortions and child neglect or abuse. We clear karma from physical and emotional abandonment. We erase karma for not loving or caring for their children. We clear karma from loveless marriages for financial gain. We erase karma for weakening other women. out of malice, envy, and jealousy. Let's erase discrimination against the women in our lineage based on race, gender, social status, or beliefs. We remove memories of abuse, violence, exclusion, inequality, and injustice from the past. We'll erase the energy of sexual abuse towards all women and children in your ancestry. We clear the energy of all that fell, all that was allowed, all that was suffered, all that was feared, all that was limited, all that never saw justice, all the harm ignored, consented to, and permitted, all that brought long-term negative experiences. We erase all that prevented achieving fulfillment, wholeness, and joy in life. We clear it completely with no trace left for all time, infinitely. Let's erase the energy of all women in our lineage who had no voice or say, who weren't active in family matters but simply served as household staff. We erase accepting this and the inability or fear to speak up and assert ourselves. We erase all violence against women in our lineage by husbands, fathers, brothers, and other women. We erase the karma of women who wronged other women in the family, denying them rights and benefits. We erase physical, emotional, sexual, psychological, and economic violence done, received, witnessed, or ordered. We erase the ignorance of life, self, and rights. We erase the harmful beliefs that led them to accept, endure, resign, not set boundaries, neglect self-care, and ignore their needs. We remove the energy of sacrifice and guilt and the religious and cultural influences that perpetuated these behaviors for generations. We'll amplify the energy of all the talented, brilliant women in your lineage who shared their light with the world. We're boosting the energy of all self-sufficient women who took charge of their lives, not depending on others' moods or whims to succeed. We honor those who achieved their goals and objectives, standing out from the rest. We empower all brave women who dare to set boundaries, demand respect, and pursue their ideals. We empower all women who were emotionally stable, those with wisdom and harmony in their lives. We strengthen the energy of women who thrived in relationships, finding stability, love, reciprocity, and personal growth through partnership. We'll boost the energy of every woman in your clan, both individually and collectively. We integrate their energy into you and yours into them, allowing these energies to recognize each other. We reinforce internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices 100% with infinite potential all the time. We'll erase anything that hinders, limits, delays, or blocks this strengthening process. We remove it completely, permanently, and absolutely, 100% with infinite potential for all time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. All right, tell me, how do you feel now? The same or different?